So hey guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are gonna see how to create a simple website. Sorry, how to change HTML attributes using JavaScript. And this tutorial is gonna be fun, so be with me till the end of the video. So here I have written some basic HTML code like this H2P and button with some JavaScript functions which I have not mentioned in my JavaScript. So if I open a Google Chrome, so if I open my Google Chrome like this, open, brother open, I don't know how much time it would take to open. So let us just I tell you about this. I have just added a JavaScript over here and a title with the H2 and a paragraph with a simple button. I would be reclassifying all these later. Okay. So let's start. So if I write here my function, I I don't remember exactly, it was that one like this, and if anybody is not able to understand what I am writing, feel free to write it in the comments. That's a different case if I don't. So if I just write document dot get element by id change dot class equals to sample. बस इससे होगा कि गाइस जब भी मैं बटन क्लिक करूंगा तो गाइस मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ आप लोगों को और अगर क्लियर करने के लिए कैसे क्लास चेंज हुई है why is it loading or is it taking so much time to load my dear fellow mate just load just too easy to load. So before moving on I wanna tell you guys about something. So this is tutorial 2 of the series. If you have not still watched the other tutorials, what are you guys doing? Just go and watch these two. So if I what we were in that JavaScript and change HTML attributes. So अगर अगर JavaScript HTML का attributes चेंज कर सकते तो फिर हम क्या करें तो हम लोग इसे यूज कैसे करें तो इसके भी दो फंक्शन है सबसे पहले आपने एक बटन बनाया in HTML you write like a button with with on click is equals to your function. जब ये बन गया तो फिर इसके बाद और फिर इन जावास्क्रिप्ट अब आप लोग क्या करोगे जावास्क्रिप्ट के लिए जिन लोगों के कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा कोई बात नहीं देखिए ये कुछ ऐसे था अगर मैं अभी अगर मैं ऐसे ऐसे क्लिक करूँगा तो फिर देखिए इसकी क्लास चेंज हो जाएगी यस दैट्स द केस इसी से बेइज्जती कर रहे हैं। ओह मैन, मैंने तो पहले क्लास तो मेंशन ही नहीं करी। वाओ, वो एट्रीब्यूट मेंशन भी तो करना होगा। क्लास इज इक्वल्स टू डेफ। अभी मैंने इसकी क्लास डेफ कर दी। ओके, तो मैं ये समझा, ये समझ के क्लासेस। अभी अगर मैं इस पर क्लिक करूँगा, ऐसे ही खुलेगा। हाँ, चलो मैं एक इमेज ले लेता हूँ, क्योंकि ये बेइज्जती लग रहा है। इमेज कैसा ऐसे ही मैं ले लेता हूँ, कोई भी रैंडम इमेज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई भी रैंडम इमेज जो मुझे गूगल पे मिलेगी, वॉलपेपर के पे। ऐसा आप लोगों को नहीं पता था, मैं खुद बहुत ज़्यादा। So if you guys don't know, I myself use a lot of wallpaper here, so I remembered it first. That's looking beautiful. Yeah, it is. Just copy the main address and add it into this. Dot sic is equals to do something which you guys could see with your eyes. Yeah. This one is also looking awesome. Wait a minute. Oh, that is of Peter Parker. That's of Mr. Parkour. I just click on the button. So here is the button. Here I am not seriously taking any step towards CSS. If I click on this button, yeah, it changed. So as you guys could see, when I click on this, it changes to this. It is a, a little bit laggy, guys, right now. God, shit. I fix the height too. It's ended up with. So if I just click on this, the wallpaper changes. So that is how we used to do that. I, I still don't know how it didn't work. In the case of Peter, I guess I made some mistake. So in HTML, JavaScript. So basically guys, I just update this code for you guys on my GitHub, as you guys would be able to see. Go to github.com/kavyaigb, and go to the JavaScript one. Could see this, and I also made this awesome website. I don't know why, but you guys might love this or hate this, but I love this. See, this is an awesome website. One of its links is referring down to my upcoming course on my main website, which would be coming. It's not still there, and now far over there, which took me the most time. I go to tutorial 1, you might see something like this, which is a bit more styled, not something raw like this. So don't worry. Well, it is not necessary to use single quotes, but it's advised. But it is advised to use single quotes because single quotes are a bit more, you can say, formal as compared to the double quotes. Double quotes are generally used in your HTML, and if you import your JavaScript into HTML, sometimes it fails due to single quotes, due to double quotes. So single quotes, with this single quote, there are less chances of it failing. That's the reason I always use single quotes. And if I just update this like this, if I just commit this and I would push it on earlier, oh shit, the comment would fail. I did not. Uh, the comment would fail, but as you guys can see, with the help of this simple function, we literally just changed our image, whatever it is. Same as you can do this if I just go on and add some style, if you guys don't mind, and if I just do this, that's not what I let me just go, just wait for me, just wait for me a bit guys. I just do this kind of stinky stuffs, don't mind it, and it lagged, and a huge lag, but I don't mind it. So when I would add some content over here in before and to my image, this what should I do to my image? First I need to give it a padding of padding. pixel things, the margin of 12 pixel in all sides, the border of 1 pixel solid back, and a border radius of 25. So if you guys just see it now, it is by the bottom and the border radius of 25. That was the property, right? Border radius, border radius, pixel within. Then why is it not working? I guess that I wrote the right code. I first need to instead of 5 pixel, I think so we could do something like 25%. That would be appropriate. No, that's not 10%. Uh, yeah, that's better. And margin auto. And with that, we made a simple website, simple JavaScript, which would just change the image. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys like this video, please subscribe.